Hello students, I am Ashok Kumar. I am going to teach you English grammar. Today is writing a skill that informal letters. Informal letters, how to write informal letters and what are the informal letters. We have to know about them. Personal letters are called informal letters. Personal letters are informal letters written to friends. ये जो इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स होता है ये फ्रेंड्स को लिखा जाता है, रिलेटिव्स को लिखा जाता है एंड एक्वेंटेंसेस का मतलब होता है जो हमारे परिचित लोग होते हैं उनको जो हम लोग लेटर लिखते हैं वो इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स होता है। पार्ट्स ऑफ एन इनफॉर्मल लेटर, इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स का क्या पार्ट्स होता है? अ लेटर हैज 6 मेन पार्ट्स। फर्स्ट पार्ट is the heading, consist of the writer's address and the date. Second is the salutation or courteous greeting depends upon the relation shared between the writer and the reader. The position of the salutation is at the left hand of the first page at a lower level than the heading. Third point is the communication or message is of course the letter itself. The letter should be divided into paragraphs to mark the change in the subject matter. The opening sentence sets the tone of the letter. It should either be in response to an earlier communication or have a reference to the subject of the letter. Fourth point is the subscription or the courteously talking or concluding sentence rounds off the subject matter. It may end with the topic itself. Fifth point is the complementary clause comes immediately after the closing line. And sixth point is the signature of the name of the writer appears at the end. How to write the letter? Here one question is given. You are Archivist of 910 by 18 Panchsheel Marg, New Delhi 21. Write a letter to your father who is in the army, telling him how you have fared in the annual examination. तो इसमें है कि अपने फादर के पास एक लेटर लिखना है और जो आर्मी में हैं, पोस्टेड हैं आर्मी में, उनको बताना है कि हाउ यू हैव फेयर्ड इन द एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन, आपका एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन में कैसा गया है एग्जाम। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई टोल्ड यू दैट हेडिंग यू हैव टू राइट, इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड द सेंडर्स एड्रेस। 910 by 18 Panchsheel Marg, New Delhi 110021. It is the heading of the letter. Second, you have to give the date. It is here, it is given 28 February 2020, and then after it is the salutation. It is called salutation. My dear father. So what have you seen? We have seen first we have to give the sender's address, then we have to give date, and then after salutation, and then after we start the letter. Today is the luckiest day. Our examination is over. You will be pleased to know that I have done all the papers to my complete satisfaction. I hope to secure a very high first division. I think that is all due to the encouragement and advice I have received from you from time to time. First paragraph is over. Now the second paragraph, there is no doubt that I have been toiling very hard for the last 6 months. Every subject was at my fingertips. At the same time, fortune also favored me. This year the question papers were rather easy. I was terribly afraid about physics and mathematics. By the grace of God, I have done very well in both these papers. I hope to get distinctions in chemistry and mathematics. In English too, I aspire to get very high marks. The questions on paragraph writing and comprehension were rather difficult, but I managed to attempt them very well. I am confident that my performance will bring credit to you as well as my school. Now closing the letter with my respect to you and dear mother, and now yours affectionately, Aarti. In this way you will form the informal letters. Now students, in your practice paper there are a lot of informal letters to your practice that have been given, so you practice them, and if you get any problem in writing you may contact again to me. Now thank you so much.